Ready, Ashvin?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. I have revised and I have finished
Wow.
the review, and
Okay.
I think I did it. Okay. Uh, let me get my okay up from here. All right. Oh, it took so long to finish this.
Really? What
Yeah,
was the
yeah. It
difficulty?
took, I had to learn new things that I didn't know before. Like I learned this format. What's it called? I don't know. It's like the form where you do a colon and the less than symbol. And it's like you can arrange the columns.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And
Arrange the
then
columns. Okay.
yeah, and then I learned that items you can use like, let's say for state capital in capitals dot items. You can use dot items to get the key that you'll separate it into key and
And items, yes.
value. Yeah.
Okay. Key and values, yes. Correct.
So yeah. But I think okay, should I share my screen?
Yes, please.
Okay.
So from where you get the data that you stored for the students? From where you get the student
Which
data?
one?
The
Which
student
one?
data. Student data. So
Which
you,
student data? This is for the capitals and state.
oh, okay.
You remember last class we were
Yeah, yeah, but what about, okay, I saw there was something different. Okay, what about the new homework?
ah yes, the new homework I didn't have enough time, but
Okay,
I started on it. But I can complete it by because this one took me super long to do this
wow,
review and yeah,
okay,
I didn't expect it was tough. And then so I didn't have enough time to finish this one, but I've started on it and I'm working on it.
okay. Show me now.
Yeah.
What was
Okay.
the difficulty here?
All right. So yeah, so we finished load states last class. So I
Mhm.
completed this. Yeah, the check spelling review. The review is just it was just super. It wasn't like now it's just a lot of learning.
Okay.
It
Can
wasn't
you
like
explain to me
okay,
about the
which one?
check spelling, please? What does it do?
Okay. So I use yeah. So they have the compare characters. So when you put in an answer,
Hmm.
it checks the answer with the capital to make and then it gives the similarities between the like it gives the similar letters between the characters.
Okay, but why you put five?
Yeah, because you told me that it should be in the class you told me if it is more than five correct, then it is considered spelling error. So you asked me to
Um,
do.
Five, not 60%.
Oh, you want me to do a
It's
percentage?
because then I mean if we
Okay.
find, I mean if we fix it to five, then what if it is, what if the word itself less than five? What if
Right.
the capital or the state or the answer if even maybe
Right.
10 or 15 characters? So how can we fix
Okay.
that to?
Okay. Yeah, we can do a percentage.
Okay, how we can do that?
Okay, I can put a percentage or I can put like a percent similar
Okay,
equals capital uh wait I should do length cap actually I should do length result over length capital, right? I think so. I think
yes,
that's
you're
what I should
correct.
do.
Yes,
So
you're
I should
correct.
do letter capital equals length capital and then I should do uh this is this over wait sorry this over this. Oh wait I can just do oh here yeah I don't need this just that should suffice.
Mhm.
Then if percent similar I should put this will this work if I just put like this?
I don't think so, but
Yeah, I don't think it will work. First, let me just uh, let me comment all of this so I can just fix this one issue. So I will call this bit. Let me take this and do this. Okay, let me just do this first. And let me just take an example. Okay, so if we do now, say um, um, like, what's this? Wait, isn't this the same thing I did earlier? That's how I called it last time. This time on my yeah.
so what is the error here?
Yeah, I thought I called it the exact same way. Alabama is not defined. Didn't I call it the exact same way last time? When I did it earlier, I used the exact same. I did this
Okay,
exact same
but
way.
he's considering Alabama in this case.
Alabama.
It is he's considered it as a variable. Did you define the Alabama as a?
Wait, isn't this the exact same thing I did?
So if we are dealing with strings, we need to actually.
Oh, that's what that's a stupid mistake. Okay. All right. Okay, now I can fix all the issues. Okay, Montgomery is printed. Why is Montgomery printed? Okay. So, oh, okay, yeah, like that. That. This is not printed. So,
So you need to put an
how?
else statement. Maybe we are able to understand what's going on.
Yeah, I just
So
want to
if Mhm.
print this. It should print it, right? Yeah, 1.0. Oh,
Is it
see, I do
you
this.
give them exactly the same? Okay,
No, there you go. So yeah, so as long as it's, I should just do 0.6, right?
excellent. Yes, correct.
Yeah. Or do you want, yeah, okay. More
And
than
then you put
60%.
else. You have to put else because you have to tell the guy if his spelling is correct. If it is 60%, if it is bigger than 60%, then you say correct. And then if it is not, then you have to put an else statement for him.
But I don't have to, right? Because my review will already do that. Like, see, if I take my review here, I don't need this. So the way I did my review is that I will have this, so it will tell me. But if it's not the case, then this will just print nothing, and then you will just say incorrect.
Yes, but my question to you is, wow, wow. Okay, but does this return anything? Does this return true or false?
No.
I mean, if we put if, I mean, if need a condition, and the condition, yes, it can be a function that you call true, no problem with that, except that you are not returning, you don't have a return keyword inside your check spelling. So if you put a function like that, it needs to return true or false. But you're actually printing something, but you're not returning anything. You're not using the return keywords here.
Right. So I should return here true.
So yes, if you would like to do the check in your main method, okay, fine, you return true.
Yeah.
But then you have to understand now that okay, fine, totally fine. Okay, yeah, you can try it like that.
But this worked, right? Like when I printed this, of
Show
course it
me.
didn't have this
You have to
okay.
show me.
Okay. I hope it will work now, but okay. Yeah, let me show you the whole thing, the full
Yeah. I mean,
yeah.
you have to show me the output from the else if statement that you put.
Um, comment all of this. If you want to see how the review works,
Yeah, but let us focus about testing the check
okay.
spelling first.
Okay.
I mean, it is totally fine. You can make the whole thing work because we need
Yeah,
to.
this should work, right? Completely fine.
Yeah, we should at least, if it works, we should see some either this or this, right?
Yeah, I can show you how it let's say I call the review here. And I don't call this. So it will oh wait. Oh right. If I just do it in the whole thing. There you go. Let's say I give a wrong answer. Let's say I just give like ASH. I see. This oh wait, stop it again. Let's say I do like STSC. There you go. So
Incorrect. The
you will
capital
just see it.
North Carolina is.
Yeah.
But okay, what is the
And let's
capital of
say
North Carolina? Okay. So this is printed from where? This incorrect.
printed from here, this else statement, because it doesn't apply to both of these. So it applies here. But like now, if I, let's
Okay.
say, yeah, like
Okay.
now if I do capital of Oregon, that is, I don't know, but if I do like, let's say, uh, this, if I don't type the L,
Okay.
then it will do this. Of course, yeah, now it's printing it twice because of,
You're
I
printing it
think
inside. Yeah.
I think if I remove the return statement, it won't do that, right?
Okay. Try again.
Like if I do capital of South Dakota, I will just like skip, let's say 1R. I skip 1R. Oh, it still prints it twice. Earlier it didn't print it twice when I did it. Now it's printing it twice.
Okay. So it is printing it here. It's considering that it's true, which is quite strange. May I ask you, please? Can you please print? Can you do a favor for me? This. Can you
Yeah.
take this and put it in a print statement? I want to see how this can bring true actually.
Put the check spelling in a print statement.
Yes.
Okay.
Even
So
before,
I just
so you put it here. So put it here. Or
let me
where did
just
you
put it.
bring? Wait, I think you asking the question here. Where you ask the question? Okay, this is the input. This is a random.
Yeah.
Yeah, you do it here. You do it here so that we are able to see
Okay.
before it come to this else if. What
Yeah,
really
like
comes
that.
out from this function? Yes, you just can copy exactly this same.
Okay.
Same.
Just like that. Or you want wait,
I mean, yes, yes.
exactly this?
Yes, exactly this. Yeah,
Okay.
print it out. Let me see.
Well, nice. None.
None. Okay. So so
Hmm.
so it means that your condition is returning none.
Yeah.
So
Hmm.
that is totally, I mean, condition must be true or false. So it
So I
means
should
that,
put a return
yeah.
true here, right?
And also let me correct you. So
Yeah.
if you're putting something that should return true, it you also should mention the condition that it should return false.
Right. So I should
Else
go
it will,
like
this is a function that will
this.
only return true, and else it will return none, which is
So
wrong. So
else.
else it return false.
Perfect. Okay. There you go.
Okay.
Okay.
And then the
So
next
now
stage would be, let's see.
there you go. Okay. So now we get false.
Okay, so at
Okay.
least,
Okay.
okay, yeah, okay. But again, because we know very well that this will be printed two times. Just remove this print and focus.
Yeah. 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 Just remove the print. Yeah. And then now it's fine, right? Now it should work
Yes,
completely fine.
yes.
How come there is okay? It doesn't matter. Okay. Let's say okay. So now I just do or I just spell it. Let's say without the T. Okay, so it does this. True. So if I get rid of this print and do the same thing, then I just spell it. Let's say capital of New York is this one. Let's say I put like that. Okay. Okay. So it's working.
Okay, interesting. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. What about the review? So the review is okay. Correct count. May I know what are you doing here? What is this?
Yeah. Which one? Which one?
This this.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So this is like this one is making sure because we have total questions, right? So every time it loops, the amount of questions increases by one. Then this is if my answer is correct, then you will just add one to the correct answer. It means I have one correct answer, and then so I
Mhm.
do this, which will be so. Let's say I skip four questions, or I get four wrong, and I only get one right. So it will say one over four. Correct.
Okay.
And then
And
here it will do the percentage. So I'll get 25%.
okay, but you're still getting the score here as zero because you just
Here because
exit.
no, I get zero because this is not supposed to count in the
Okay.
code that
Yeah,
you asked
yeah.
me to do this. Yeah, this is still considered incorrect.
Okay. Okay. What else?
Okay.
What about the other pieces of the menu?
Okay. Yeah, the other pieces of the menu here. Most of it I just oops. Most of it I
So
just
start
followed what you gave
review,
me.
load state,
Yeah. Basically
link
just
list of states. So where do
exactly
you
what you've done.
store the list of the states? Is it in a list or a dictionary?
I'm pretty sure we took the values from the dictionary and turned it into a list, right? When we print the list. That's what print list did, right? If I'm not mistaken. Last class.
Okay,
Yeah.
items. Okay. Okay, that's actually good. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now if I run the whole thing, oh, yeah, oh yeah, yeah, it's has an issue now. So,
I
okay,
have to remove the review.
yeah, that's fine. Let me just make sure, like, I have to make sure I didn't do anything else. It's a bit of a gap here, and then I think I have, yeah, I don't want to call load states. One more less, okay. This also one more less. Okay, and I don't need this. Okay, yeah, okay. So now you can see when I run, the menu is correct. I
Okay.
remember there was an easier way to do it. Instead of having to do two lines, there was some code that would do it just in one. I think it was like something n, something like some slash n or something. I forget. So I
Okay.
just use that. Um, and then yeah. So then if I do a
May I
load
know one
stage,
thing? What
yeah.
will happen? What
If
will
I don't
happen
load,
if you don't load?
yeah. So you can see here if I don't load, it will have nothing.
Yeah, but are you going to show an error, or
Oh,
are you going to show to the
if
user that he didn't load? Would you remind him that he
oh
should load?
okay. Okay, I didn't do that. Wait, do
Is it
I?
something easy or difficult?
Uh, should be easy, but
Really?
no, I don't know. Let me see. Let me try. Uh, wow, make it remind him. Wow, that's difficult
No, why?
because I
Why?
don't know how, like, which way I should go. Like, I'm thinking, should I make it so that he has to give an input of one first, or should I make it so that because that I could do, but that would be tough also to do.
Believe me, um, it is just as simple as creating one variable.
Wow.
Just
Okay.
one variable can solve the whole thing to you.
Now I have to think. Just one variable. Okay.
Yes.
I don't load the state.
So if we okay, especially if you ever go into automation, and this kind of flag variables flag your
Mm.
stages. You already started working in Lenovo. So you pass the initial training stage. So we create a flag variable that tell that Ashvin already passed the initial stage. So you can, whenever any new boss comes and he see you, he look at your file, he see that there is a tick that you already passed your initial training. So he will never put you again into the same training. So the same also
Right.
here. Whenever we pass certain stages in the code, we use flag variables to highlight that.
What if I do something where I check if capital is so let's say if there is no capitals, then I will remind them to
Another way you can check if the dictionary is empty.
yeah, yeah. So which is this. So if I say, well, how do I do it here? I'm thinking I have to do it like before the review and before the print list. It will just be the same code where something like if capitals. Okay, let me print. How do I say? Is it like if not? If
Uh,
not, can I
okay.
use if not?
Yes, it is possible.
Does that work?
Yes.
Print what should I print? You have please load state first.
Mm-mm.
Something like that.
Yes.
Let's get no will that for let's try for this first. Say I do this and I do two. Okay, it's a bit weird. Um could I get it to not print this?
Right
Can
return.
I right? I was gonna try and do break or something, but just an empty return?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Aha, okay.
So that is one solution. The second solution is
Yeah.
instead of you calling this kind of function in every kind of if statement, you can do it even before you call. So
Oh,
you can even do it inside your menu here. So
right.
you can do it here before you call print list. You only have an if
Right.
statement. So this way you also don't have to write. I mean, it depends how
like
you want to
this,
see.
right?
Yes. So if capitals, but in this case, but you don't have
Yeah.
to return. There is no need for
Yeah,
return.
right, right. Right. Okay. But then, yeah, okay.
But
So
then, of course, so if not capitals, you print this, and then
the,
yeah, okay,
this will
maybe you
still
have
get
to put
printed.
return. Yeah, so
Yeah.
maybe okay, I tell you.
Yeah.
If capitals, you call this. Else,
Right.
you call
Okay.
that.
Yeah. Good idea. Good idea. Yeah. If capitals on this, maybe else you call that. Okay, perfect. And so I want to do the same thing
For everything.
for review, right?
Yes, and you have to comment that line. Don't forget that.
Oh, right. Just okay. And then I should do same thing here. And then I should do this to be review. And that should work. And now I just remove it from here.
Yes,
I just
but
feel like it's less confusing if I do it here.
okay, it's up to you. Totally up to you. It is the same concept.
Yeah. It's just that if when I do it here, I feel like it makes this line of
Com
code a bit,
Complicated.
yeah, clustered and
Okay,
complicated.
then it's totally fine. It's your preference. This is two
Yeah,
options. Use whatever.
yeah. So I put that. Yeah, but both make sense. Right. So now it should, I run this, two, first states first, three, this first states first. All right. Yeah, so now after I load stage, now it should work. If I do number two, yeah, it will print everything. And then if I do number three, it will have this. So let's say I get this wrong, if I get this wrong, there you go. So now if I, let's say, get the, actually, I don't know what is it. Okay, yeah, that number. I do that number. Then, yeah, so it says 1 out of 3.
Mm-hmm.
And then for capital of Iowa, let's say I just spell it wrong. Say I do this, and then I forget the I. Yeah. Yeah. But now this will still, so now it will be 1 out of 4 because it doesn't consider this. Correct.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. That's
So
okay. That's totally okay.
yeah.
Let me see. Let me see.
Yeah. So now if I get this correct, it should say 2 out of 5. Yeah. And then I can exit and you should give me my total score 40%. Yeah.
Okay. That's
Okay.
totally okay. Yeah, that's a good job.
And then
Really good
exit.
job.
Oh, whoa,
Okay.
wait. Oh, type the number 4, not exit. Okay. There you go.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's
Yeah.
excellent. Okay. So this means that next time you still have to do two homeworks, but okay.
Mm.
Okay,
Yeah.
totally
This took
fine.
really long to do. Yeah.
But
Yeah.
long like 2 3 hours. I believe.
I mean, actually, it took longer than that, I think.
Really?
And yeah, because a lot of times it happens a lot where I will get stuck and then I will be trying to just troubleshoot over and over again.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
But should I say this is the first time ever you have done that? Okay.
uh, I mean, I put more effort.
Yeah, I can see
Yeah.
that. Yes. And
Yeah.
yeah, that is something great. Okay. At least you
Yeah.
are in the business again. Okay. Let me then think what you should do. Okay. Yeah. And never mind. You just let me share my screen.
Okay.
You can see my screen, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So one of the most common uses of dictionary is actually to analyze strings or even data. So in this case, we are going to analyze a song lyrics. So this is
Okay.
a kind of exercise. So you need to create a frequency dictionary. This frequency dictionary should map string and integer. So
Okay.
how is that done? So typically when you have a dictionary like that, so the frequency dictionary would actually tell us for every keywords in the song lyrics, how many times it got repeated in the song. So
Yeah.
let's say twinkle.
Yeah.
So you find maybe it is maybe 10 times. And then you find here star.
Yeah.
Maybe it is 8 times. And so on. So the dictionary will be a string as a key, 10
Yeah.
as a value, which is, I mean, integer. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
if I pass you a string file, a file
Yeah.
of a text file that is for a single song lyrics, uh, you no need to actually open the file for reading. You can just copy the text file and store it in a string, and
Yeah.
then you create a function or a method that
Yeah.
actually start counting every single word inside the lyrics or the string, and it can
Yeah.
start counting it. Do you understand what is that?
It counts
So
how many times each word is said, basically.
yes, in the string, yes. So okay, let me say. So can you see that here? Okay, okay. Can you see that? Oops. Can you see the code in front of you?
Yeah. Yeah. I can see.
So this is a dictionary, which is word count. And then he
Yeah.
said that, okay, the word count for the key hello is 1. And the word count for the word world, it's 2. Okay. And then you
Yeah.
start
Yeah.
printing that out. So you should be able to do a method that takes the song lyrics and start counting each word, how many times it occurs. And it
Yeah.
should
Okay.
return that to the main function that is calling the method. So you create a dictionary
Okay.
and you should return it.
Okay. Confusing.
But you see an example
Okay.
here. So I
Yeah.
will pass
Okay.
you the
Should I write
file.
this down?
Yeah, yeah. So let me see. I need to pass you the lyrics of the song here. Let me see here. Okay. This is the song lyrics.
Okay.
So you can create your function, maybe check frequency or count frequency.
Okay. Okay. I got it. I got the file. Okay. Let me save the file. Okay. Let's start.
I think you can start sharing your screen.
1 second. Saved it. Saved it, but it hasn't. Okay, sound good. Okay, there you go. Okay. Open this up. Yes, please. I comment all of the previous one. Okay. Oh, I can't see your. Oh, I can. Okay. Okay. I can see your screen while I share. Okay. Let me just use this dictionary. Something that I have. It's very close. Bring it down here. Frequency dictionary mapping in integer. Okay, see, this would be confusing.
Are you able to share your screen?
I'm sharing my screen.
Okay.
Oh, but now I cannot see your screen.
Yeah, I can send you the. I mean,
Oh, okay.
you only need the first thing and the dictionary, but okay, I can give me a second. I'm going to
Okay.
give you that.
Okay, create a frequency dictionary. Yeah, so this is an empty dictionary. This is a full dictionary. Okay, I'm just checking for the distance. Okay. So let's say I take frequency. Going to integer. And then I just do oops, like this. So, all right. Dictionary. Yeah. Could I? Okay, where was it that I got the capital to be loaded? There you go. So I need to load it. It's exact same thing as load state, basically. It's exact thing. How do I? Okay, now I need to add this. Oh, you can't see the whole thing. Put this in here. Okay. This can be done like that, right? Then I just copy file path, I guess. Do like this.
But you cannot use the CSV reader because the
Yeah,
CSV reader is
but I can use.
specifically to.
I can change it to text reader, right? Or no?
No, yeah. So if you want to know how to read a text file, so you can open the last exercise, which is you're still trying to attempt to do.
Right, right.
So you will be able to see how you are able to read
whoops.
any
Open
data
the
from a
Zoom.
text.
Okay. Okay, let me open that. Aha, this. Okay, let me bring this here. Like that. So I'll just call it load lyrics.
You can see, yeah.
And then just a sec. Okay. This is way more confusing. Okay. How do I do this?
How you do what?
This one. Let's see. It's just the same way I did earlier, right? So I just do confusing.
Or the easy way, since
Yeah.
my focus is not at all in making you read the text file, if you are able
Yeah.
to copy this, but it will be a bit long. So you see
Okay.
this, you can just copy it all, copy the content of that file, which is song lyrics, and put
See,
the
I can't see
content.
your annotation.
Oh, really?
What's your
Okay,
annotation?
wait.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's here. So what I want to say that you go here, take that,
Yeah.
take the content of that, and save it in a string. Because my intent is not
Okay.
to test how you load a text file into at least that is totally different topic of complexity. Okay, so yes, you can just put lyrics equal, and then
Okay.
then you have to put double
This.
quotation before and after. Then we might find some difficulty just because they are not
Yeah.
in one line and there is a
Yeah.
lot of commas. But yeah, I think it will be not so easy.
Unless I mean, I can just
Yes,
do something like this. Yeah.
but there is another way if you would like to actually know.
Yeah.
So actually, there is a way that we are able to use which is similar to the comments. So okay, when we do a comment, we do a comment for a function that explain what this function is doing. We use this kind of three double quotations as a start, as a
Okay.
marking for the start, and three double quotations as a marking for the
Oh,
end. If you use that, that will allow you to store everything in just multiple lines like that.
okay. So invite everything. Okay. So I do three quotation.
Three double quotation, yes.
Like, why did it change
You
into
give it
quotation?
space, yeah, because he give you all one shot. So
Right.
yep,
I see.
yeah. So you have to remove, yep,
Oh, there you go. Like that.
yes. So now
Perfect.
okay, now you have everything. Now you just
Yeah.
need to create a method that takes these lyrics and
Okay.
you need to deal with it. So now you have to also understand that there is a spaces here that you have in between the lyrics,
Yeah.
okay? And to be able to count, you actually you need to find a way to convert this string to a list.
Right.
So there is two ways. I want you to try them. And so you can try testing list. List is a function that can convert something into a list. So you try
Right.
it. And I want you also to try to call split and see how it works. So a split is a method. If you call it on a string variable, it will split it to you and it will bring you something out. So try both of those and see which one will work for you. But you cannot do it here. You have to call
Oh,
it in a later, yeah. So when you call it, also you have to save the output or print it. So you cannot call it when you are defining the string itself.
okay.
You can put it
So
in a
the
print statement.
okay. How do I like what? Print
Lyrics dot, for example, lyrics dot split, for example.
oh, just like that.
Mm.
Like that.
Yeah, you can try and see. But you are not putting your print from the start of the line.
What?
Your
Oh, why
dictionary
are these
also
not?
is.
Yeah, how come? Okay. Oh, oof. Where did I go wrong? Wait, what? Is it not spelled the same? Am I blind?
No, no, no. That's why he asked you here like that.
Oh, wow, I didn't even see. Okay. Okay, so it put it into a list. So now I need to get it. Oh, okay.
So how to loop
Mm.
through a list? So
I need to get the list to okay. I'm just thinking what
do you still remember how to loop through a list?
do a list. I think if I see I will remember which one I just need to look through the list. I don't remember which one, yeah. I'm just thinking how I can get each variable. Like I will need this to be one key. Then this to not create a new key, but to add a I'm not sure how to do it.
Don't focus on the last solution first. Focus on the next step.
Okay.
That the initial step would be that you are able to loop through a list of strings. How you can do that? So you are at least able to access that, print it out, do any operation on it. Because one step that you need to do actually is to clean. Now each word have commas here. You
Yeah.
see these commas?
I don't see your annotation.
What about this? You see this comma?
Yeah. I see
So
all the comments.
yeah, so we don't want this comma and also the star. You see here?
Yeah.
We don't want that to be part of your dictionary keys. It doesn't make any sense.
Right.
And also, please try to notice that one of the problems that we're seeing here, that this twinkle, for example, so this twinkle is with a capital T, and this twinkle is exactly the same, but with a lower, with
Yeah.
a small t. So how? Yeah, one
I
of the
can
yeah. I
I
think
can
dot
use dot
lower.
lower.
Yes,
Yeah, dot
yes,
lower.
excellent. Okay. And then you can use also a method that is called replace. This replace,
Replace.
it will search for something. If you give it a keyword, it will search for something and then replace it with
Oh
something
wow.
else. So it means that if you ask it to
So
replace the
if I do
comma,
like for example, if I were to do like replace, then
yes,
I
but you
do
have to, this
comma.
is same like split. So you have to
Right, right.
give it a string variable before
But
it.
so if I were to do it like that, it will work lah. So if I do lyrics dot replace, like, and so you'll turn it into an empty. Would that work?
You have to print it out and see. How can you know? No, but wait.
Okay, okay, okay.
This lyrics now, okay, you have to print out lyrics and see if it really, this, you have to print it out to be able to really see that.
Yeah. Hmm. Did I? Am I?
Just make sure that your spelling is correct.
Oh my
Is it?
God. Here is wrong. That's why here is incorrect. This two work was correct. Okay. Okay. Right. Okay. So I want to replace it first. Right?
Replace it first before you, yes, true.
Like, oh, all right. I need to save this
Yes,
replace,
exactly.
but I can just like I can save it under the same variable, right? I can just do
Yes, you can do that. Yes.
lyrics equals wait, what? Like that. Uh, there you go. Now, okay, all the commas are gone. Perfect. Okay. Now I have it without commas. Now I need. So I need this.
Which
So
one?
if I just loop
Mhm.
this, wait, I remember I did it. I just need something like yeah, it's like this. I just need this.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I need something like this. But now I need to make it right. Um, how did I wait? Let me give me a second to just. How did I do this? Right. Okay. But how do I get?
The most important thing to get any code running, just use print statement to know if you are able to
Yeah.
print the row properly or not, and what's coming out from this kind of loop before you start to think so deep.
First of all, let me make sure there's no error. Yeah. Then now we print. Okay.
You're
Oh
printing
yeah,
every
this will
single
get
character.
every single letter. Yeah.
So what about if you
Oh.
print the row itself without?
Yeah. Actually, I don't. Yeah, I already have it under. Only. Yeah, same thing.
Same thing. So you just print the row without any square brackets. That will give you the complete word.
Oh yeah, I'm printing. No,
You sure?
I'm printing just row.
Can you clean all this screen output so that we are able to make sure that
I mean, I can just don't print this, and then you can see the yeah here. I'm gonna put this. Wait, let me show you. So now I'm at here. If I run, yeah, it prints every single word. Every single word gets printed. And this is where I get lost. Every single letter gets printed.
hmm. Can you remove can you comment lines 3, 4, 6?
Yeah, actually means same thing.
Hmm. Yeah. Okay, I got it. You did not split yet. You did not convert lyrics. So it's still dealing with lyrics as a string, not as a, you
Oh,
just printed it out.
uh-huh. Okay.
So now you converted it to a list, and then when it's
There,
converted, then it
okay.
you give access to every single word of it.
Right. Perfect. Now comes the tricky part.
I mean, now you already overcome the most trickiest parts. I mean, this now you just need to put it in a dictionary and then start counting.
Hmm. That is that is the problem. Okay. Hmm. Okay. So basically, now I have this looped. So now I just do it's the same thing that I did here, right? And I just make quite. Yeah, I can do the same thing I did here, which is this. But now my issue comes with, like, for example, if I bring this here, oh, this is what I want. Okay, I want this here, and I want this. Oops. And I want this up here. Okay. Now here comes the issue. Row, but then this is going to be integer, right?
Hmm?
So what?
Yes.
But what? How do I? Like this will give an error, right? If I just put this, it won't work. Yeah. How do I? Oh, actually, I want to replace the full stops and the exclamation marks also, right?
Yes.
If I just copy this 2 more times, and if I do this, if I do this, right? So now there should not be any. Okay. But yeah, so this is a problem. I don't remember how to, yeah, we can make sure this is, yeah, okay, correct. Yeah, of course, this will work. Okay. I'm trying to add the row, and here is integer. Let's see what happens when I do this. Let's see what happens. Let me print. One. Oh, um, was it that I needed to put this in the loop? Of course, the one is completely wrong, but oh wait. I'm just testing here. Okay, yeah, I expected that. Yeah.
So now you are starting to put everything inside it as one. So you
Yeah,
already created your dictionary, although it is
yeah,
needs some modification, but you have done
correct.
it so far. Did you search if you are able to search if there is something inside your dictionary? Did you ever use if statement?
Yeah, we use if not capital. The recent one we used.
Yes, but this is for, yeah, okay. This is to check if it's empty or not.
Yeah.
But then what about, are you able to search if there is a keyword or a key, a certain string inside your dictionary?
Yeah. Like we did it, right? Like you can. This is all we have for dictionary. Starts from here. All of this is not dictionary, right? Yeah. This is where we start with dictionary. But I remember there was. It must be.
It is possible that we didn't write that, but or maybe we didn't write this exact code, but we took it in the slides
But I,
actually.
but I think I wrote everything for dictionary. Every time we enter a new slide, I wrote down.
Okay, then if you did, there is a dictionary that's called grades, and
Yeah, yeah,
suppose we took three things: how to add an entry to the grades dictionary, and how to test
yeah.
if there is something, if some student name is
Ah,
already
there
listed
you
in the
go.
dictionary.
Yeah. So yeah, this in grades. Can I not print a row? Let's see how this same thing. No, I don't want to print this. Now we are fine, right? Yeah. Now I want to uncomment this. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so this checks if it is inside
It checks in the values or the keys.
in the keys.
Okay, so how can you use that?
So I should, every time it loops through, I should create an if statement so that if this is already in the key, then increase the value by one.
And if it is not?
If it is not, then create a new key.
Yeah, okay, that seems logic, a good logic. Yes,
But it
implement
is
it.
easier said than done. So let me just take this and let me try and implement it. Okay. So how would I even, so I need this to be a variable thing. Okay. In Yeah, because I need to have an exact thing, right? I can't have just a variable that can change here, right? Like I can only do twinkle. I can check for twinkle, but I can't be writing that for every single. Like how do I
Yes.
make it? Oh, I can just put a row, right? So I should do if I do a if row in the um but how do can I like just do like that?
Plus equal. We always use plus equal, right?
Like yeah,
So
like that.
no, we
Oh, you mean here? You mean in here? Yeah.
yes, yes, yes,
Right. Okay. Okay. I'm getting somewhere.
yes. It's true.
Um,
Yeah,
um, and then else this.
true. Yep.
But then I don't need this here. So technically that should if if logic is correct, this should work. Of course not. Indentation.
Hmm.
Okay, what's happening here? Okay, okay. I see what's happening. But yeah, okay. I needed to not so I can put row dot lower, right? Would that work?
Yep. But I think it's better to not to do it here. If you do it here, you ruin things. But I prefer that you do it um, even at this stage before you even start to
Okay,
do the if statement.
like that, and I need it like this, right?
I also don't prefer you do it here. Do it inside the loop.
Okay,
So you can
okay,
say row equal row dot lower.
okay. Just here.
Yes.
I want it to be like same indentation, right? Row
Mm-mm.
equals row dot. Row. Okay, and so now, okay,
Now you see the difference between this and this.
yeah, okay. That is correct, right? I think
Yes.
everything is yeah.
Yeah. Put it in a function, please. So it means the function takes a text, which is this lyrics, and do all the dirty works and return for me frequency dictionary. I don't think this is difficult.
Okay,
You already passed the difficult part.
okay. What do you want me to call the function? Um,
Let's say lyrics to frequencies.
frequency. Wait, and then I indent for everything right now. Oh wait. Oh, everything is gonna get so annoying. Okay. This is wrong indent. Is it supposed to be? What is the correct indent? Shouldn't this?
It is one tap, supposed to be one tap.
Oh, wait. Aha. But it's not. It still says incorrect.
So why your for loop is not in the same line like the
Oh, sorry. Yeah. My for loop is in the wrong line. Okay. And then what else do I need to do?
Just comment this 169.
Yeah. Okay.
Try to run and see what is the issue.
Oh, wait. Huh? Did I forget something?
Yes, you did.
Oh my God. Stupid mistake. Okay. Now it should be fine, right? Okay. Yeah.
You didn't
Wait,
input.
now I need to yeah. Yeah. Okay. But at least it works now. So now I just need to do
Yes.
this. Yeah, I didn't if frequency is not saved, right?
So lyrics is not known. I mean, you are able to use it, yes, but
I
first,
haven't even called it.
yes, you didn't pass it as a yes, and you didn't call it yes. True.
Yeah. Do I need to pass it something?
Yes, you need to pass something. So, I mean, this is a local variable.
Oh,
Lyrics is a
right.
local variable. You need to. I mean,
Right,
this is
right. I need
is
to
here.
pass it this
Yes.
I can just put this like that, right? And it
Yeah,
should
you
just
can.
then just put this here.
Mm-mm.
There you go.
That's
Okay,
good.
simple.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's simple, but you did not return the dictionary. Yes, you are able to print it out, but you did not. You already print it out. It's true here because you define it out here. But
Yeah.
never mind. And make it easy for yourself. But what I wanted to get actually is that you say this frequency dictionary
Mm-hmm.
supposed to be equal lyrics to frequencies, which is the method that you created, which is you pass the lyrics here. So this is your method that you created, which is this one. And
Right.
if you write the return statement here, so you should write return frequency dictionary. So this is returned and this is saved here. And then totally fine. So now the point is you need to learn how to get something out from a method.
Right. Okay.
Is it
Okay.
clear or you're confused?
Okay. So you want me to move this? Can I move this? Move this equals to this.
Yes, yes, correct.
Right?
Yes.
And now, but then so you want me to change these values as well?
No,
Because this now can't be.
I mean, you don't need to define the frequency dictionary outside. You should define it inside the method.
Okay. So I need to define it
Put it
just
before the loop. Yes, yes, here should be fine.
okay. I mean, yeah, well, now I can, oh, now I can just print it to make sure it's correct. But, I mean, I didn't return anything. So you won't, yeah, return.
So you print none actually, because
Yeah, so
you didn't return. So you have
return.
to put a return statement
And the return statement, I want it to
outside
be
the for loop.
outside the for or outside the if? Yeah, so here, right?
Outside the for
Yeah,
loop.
here.
After you finish all your looping, then
Return.
you should return.
Yeah. So here, right? Yeah. So return.
Yes.
And then I want to return the frequency
Dictionary.
like that.
Yes.
Do I need to put? No, just like that. Okay.
Just like that.
All right. And now I guess if I print it out, then it should print out correctly. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So
But
what
my
we
question was, what was the difference between that and isn't that just two different ways of getting the same thing?
yes, but the point is that typically when we create something, we do not want to, if you created this frequency dictionary outside, so any function can actually modify that without you knowing it. But when you make it local to here, so you control everything that is related to frequency dictionary, and the frequency dictionary only got something inside it from here. So I control that. But you create it as a global, any function can modify it. If you have a lot of lines, I understand. You are not, you don't feel that at the moment. But
Yeah.
just take it as a moment as granted from me until you start to write software and then face problems. Now,
Okay.
do you see the second requirement on the image that I passed you?
Let user choose at least X time. Okay, yeah, it's the third one, right?
No, the second one. you didn't create the second one yet. Find words that occur the most and how many times.
Oh, okay. And how many times? Okay.
So use a list in case there is more than one word. Return a tuple. So the tuple is a list and integers.
Okay. A tuple is basically just a list. Okay. Now, here is the problem. Okay. Okay. So, wow. Okay.
What is your issue actually?
Okay, now my thing is I didn't like the key, the key, I have it under row, right?
Yeah.
But the numbers, I like, how do I call the, like, how do I check which one is highest if I don't know how to call the number? I know how to call the row, but how do I call?
Oh, really? You're sure? You sure you don't know how to call the? You sure?
I mean, I think I just forget. But let me, is it just I need to put it with the
So the row
brackets?
is a key, right? If you
Yeah.
use a key in the square brackets, won't you be able to get?
Like if I do row 0 and row 1?
No, it's not row 0 and row 1. But okay, let me just tell you. So can you come here and do? Okay, take this twinkle, put it. So you have this frequency dictionary, right? So
Yeah.
put your frequency dictionary, right? The variable name, and open a square bracket and write little, just like here, little. And print, yeah, print that.
Oh. Oh, I see. It will just give you, right,
This is
right. It's like a,
exactly.
okay. Okay.
And
Okay, okay,
also,
okay.
okay, now I want to also tell you something. So you have this frequency dictionary, right? So if
Yeah.
you say the frequency dictionary, which is a variable name, dot items, I want you to print that. And I want you to put dot key and print that, and dot values and print that. So I want you to try these three things.
Yeah, these dot items I remember, but it just yeah.
So it is a list of tuples for each tuple have a key and a value, key and a value, and they are surrounded by these brackets.
Yeah.
Now, what about
Yeah.
keys?
So we'll just give all the keys, and then values will just give all the values. Right.
Okay, I want you to actually, if you have a values like that, tell me if you are able to call maximum and minimum. So you pass here all the
Oh,
values, and you pass here also all the values, and tell me what is the maximum and the minimum.
so as in if I just do this,
Yes.
wow.
So this is all your
Okay.
tools. Do you have a lot of tools
Wow.
now in your hand?
Okay. Yeah, wow. Okay, all these tools make it so much easier. Okay. So now, okay, they wanted me to use a list in case there is more than one word.
Focus not only on that. Focus on a simple topic first. Get what is the
So,
highest.
yeah, can use max here. So if I just say I say this, I just say highest uh frequency equals value. Perfect. Now, I mean, okay, that gives me the most, but now they
Yes,
want
but
me
you
to,
you never know. Wait, you know
yeah,
the value maximum, but you don't know the key for it.
I see.
How can you get the key for that?
I see. Okay. Okay, then if I want to, okay, okay, that's no problem. What if I don't know what happens when I do this.
So you're getting the maximum. You're
But
getting the
that will,
maximum for the
yeah,
strings, which have no relation to the.
no relation to the, okay, I see. Okay. Yeah, this I was checking whether this would give me the maximum of the keys or what. Like if I print this, I just want to know what's the output. Will it just give me the highest length? Yeah.
Because of the y. He is considering y as the highest. So he is not
Right, as the
measuring
highest
the length.
index.
Yes, not
Right,
only the
okay.
higher index, but the higher on the how to say, on the alphabets. So
Yeah,
there is no w. If you created w, if you added to this your string here, w as a word at the end here, so you will find that he will give you this as the highest, because w is at the end of.
but isn't Y is after
No, why,
B?
sorry, I apologize, sorry, you should not put I apologize, you
If
should
you put,
put
if you put
z.
Z, yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Right, okay. I see, I see. Okay. Yeah, right. Okay, so now I want to get the value from this max. Um, okay. Um, okay, okay. Hmm. What happens if I ask for and then I put this? Curious. Right. So you will take that. Okay. I see.
Sometimes there is no shortcut. Yes, certain things there is a shortcut. Other things then you have to loop and check for every item.
Hmm. Hmm.
So can I know what are we missing here?
I just want to see if there's any way for me to get like the key. Oh,
You will not be able to get a key in one line.
yeah. Hmm. Yeah, that's what I know. Because it's now an integer value. Hmm. 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 It has to make it difficult. Okay. So means I can't use this shortcut at all.
No, I mean, part of your solution is to find um, using a shortcut, which is the maximum. And yes, and you already
Yeah.
got the maximum. But to get the key for the maximum value, there is no shortcut.
Oh, wait. Can I just search for the
Yes,
seven, like
you have to do that. You have to search. Yes.
if I just um how do I so if I because I want to search for the let's say for example like the way I searched here is I use this John um where was it up here. Yeah, where I use this John in grades. But and now I need to use like I can't use 17 in grades
Yes.
because I need it to be a variable that I can change. So can I just put look like that? Something like this?
No, it won't. It won't work.
Yeah. So how will I get it to be? Because I can't put 17 because if it changes or if it's a different thing, it won't like yeah, this won't work. How do I hmm. Yeah, you will give me
Because it's
false.
searching for keys.
Yeah, if I put 17. Oh, false also. Wait, how come? Oh, it only searches for keys.
Yes. It can't see the
It can't search
values.
for value.
Mm-mm.
Right, I can only search for a key. Oh, must make it annoying. Okay.
So it's so to be able to reach, you have to go
Yeah.
one by one
Oh,
and
yeah.
check.
Okay. Okay. So it means I need to. Oh, wow. Okay.
Again, it's only two lines. Just two lines to be able to do that.
But I need a loop, right?
Yes, it is a loop. Yes. And this is one
Let's
line.
say
The second line is
for okay for row. Wait. Let me think. I needed to loop through every single key,
it's
right?
true.
So
Yeah.
for row in frequency date, wouldn't it just be the same thing? So you're gonna loop through every single row in
Yes.
the you can see now, and then now that now that you're looping through every single row, I need you to give me the highest. How you did this in one line? Okay.
Print. I said to you the solution is two lines. You already write one line,
Yeah.
and then
So
there is one more line remaining.
now how did you get this last line?
Yes, correct. What you are doing is a correct thing. You are blind in the cave, so you have to print what is
Yeah,
raw.
okay. Yeah, but the row is just, yeah, it's all of this. I already know what the row will be. The row will be all of
So
this.
the row is the keys.
Oh,
If you have the
oh, I
key,
haven't.
if
Wait.
you have the
Uh,
key, are you able to get the value using the key? So this loop get you the list of keys.
yeah, okay, okay. This gives me the list of keys. Correct. Same
Okay.
thing that happened here. Okay.
Yes. Okay. And then if you pass, so okay. Now, if you use the same dictionary name that you created, which is frequency dictionary, you pass it the key. Are you able to get the value out of that? Now you
Wait a minute.
printed all the keys, right? Make
Yeah,
another
yeah.
print statement and print for me using that key. Use it to print the value. How you can do that? If you have a key, how can you print the
Okay,
value?
just the same thing as this, no?
Show me. Yeah. Show me.
It'll just be this.
No, but this will print all the values. We here you are
Oh, right.
printing for every key. I want you to print for every key the value of it, the value it contains. How you can do that?
Oh, oh,
This
oh,
is a
oh.
key. And if you have a dictionary, what did you do here? You have a dictionary and
Yeah,
you
yeah,
have a
yeah.
key, and then you added some value to the key.
Yeah.
So now how? Actually, also using the word row here is not so accurate. I would say that you write K or key. It is more indicative of what you are actually getting.
Yeah. So now I print this, it'll print
What are you
there.
doing now? You are getting,
All the values.
and okay, so now you got two things. You got the key and you got the value associated with the key.
Yeah.
Okay, and you know that the best value is this one. How can you find the best value, the key for the best value? When you
Okay.
are looping line by line, you are looping for every key, you are printing its value. So you are actually able to make a print statement that say this key have this value. You are able to do that because you have this
Yeah,
is,
yeah, yeah.
are you able to do that?
Let's say I do like if I just do this.
Yeah.
Uh, 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 uh,
Yeah, but just be aware that this
oh
is
wait.
giving you
Uh,
the value. So you have to put it
Wait, sorry.
before.
Yeah, sorry. Like that. Like this, and like that, and like this, and like that, and then this one is was just key, right?
Yes.
Oh no, wait,
You had to use plus or
One.
something before.
Oh, if I do comma here, yeah,
Another one because you are, you,
like
yeah,
that.
yes, possible also.
Yeah. So now I
So
have.
now you print it. Now, okay, you know before, you know from before that go to top of the list
Okay.
here. Where no
Oh,
this
Yeah, yeah. I know that the
okay.
twinkle is, yeah.
Okay, now
Oh,
you know that 17 is the top. You
yeah,
just want to get this twinkle and save it because this is your
yeah,
best. Am I right?
yeah.
How can you get the twinkle? If you
Good
are,
question.
you have, that's only one line.
Okay. It seems so easy, but it's so confusing. Okay. Something so simple that I'm missing.
Practice. Your smartness will
Yeah.
lead you to some level, but it will not take you to every level.
Okay, okay. Yeah. How do I get it to save just the highest? Oh, it's so confusing. Okay.
Why? Why?
Yeah, because now I'm printing every single key and I'm printing every single value.
Why
But
you need to print all? Why don't you print only the highest?
because I don't know how to print only the highest.
No, you know, you already got the highest frequency.
Yeah, but if I print just the high frequency, I can't print the key. I can't
You
get this
have
key.
to use that variable to search or to check that you only print the key of the highest. How can you use that variable?
Wait. Okay. Well,
You
so
have
put this in here?
not necessary.
No, right? Because that will just, yeah, it will just give every single key the same value.
Yes,
High
but
value. Yeah.
what about putting if statement? You only need to
Okay.
print if your frequency equal
Oh,
certain value.
okay. I can do if this equals this,
Then print one
then
line, man.
print
One line.
key, right?
Yes, yes. But you have to comment that print so that we are able to see only one result. Else we will also
Yeah,
get confused with
there you go. Okay. Will that work?
no, it won't
No, it
resist an
won't
error
work. What if my
because
error
you're
is...
using an assignment. This is an assignment operator, not an
Oh,
equality
oh,
check
oh, oh,
operator.
sorry. Yeah, I'm not equating it. I'm checking. Aha, finally. Okay, this makes so much of sense. Okay. Okay, got it. Got
Clear?
it. Got it. Clear, clear, clear. Yeah.
Yes, but now your task is actually to create a list. So sometimes you will find that in another songs that there is maybe two or three keys that have the value 17. The highest frequency that you have is now only one, which is for
Yeah.
twinkle. But
Yeah.
in other lyrics, you might find another
Yeah.
keys that also
Yeah.
have 17.
Right.
So you have to save a list of keys that have
Right.
this that carry the best value, which is 17.
Right. But just to make sure, if there is two, this will print both, right? Because I'm looping through both, so it will
It
give
will
me
print
both.
both, but it will not
Right.
save. You are
It
just
was. It
printing
won't
them to the
save.
screen. Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So that will be part of your homework. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So you have a long homework. Don't
Oh no.
do not do delay that until the last moment, please.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
I see that you have put some effort, but again, I mean, to be frank, I was not happy that I don't like to pressure my students that they have to. I have to pressure them in the way that I pressured you last class. I really
Yeah.
that is
Yeah.
against my principles. So
Yeah. Yeah.
please don't put me in that position again, please.
Right. Right. Okay.
I dislike it. Okay.
Yeah.
So you will do that without the pressure, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Let me see. Next class, I wish that you are as good as today. Thanks a lot.
Okay. All
Take
right.
care.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Take care. Bye.